In West Bengal's Dhulagarh, about 35 kilometers from Kolkata, there's still tension a week after clashes erupted over a procession on Miladun Nabi. Today, a BJP team was not allowed by the police to enter the area, and though there have been no fresh clashes reported, it does seem to follow a somewhat disturbing pattern. Last January, it was Kaliachak in North Bengal that saw major communal unrest, and sporadic incidents have taken place in other parts of the state as well.
After Malda, is Dhulagarh now the latest communal flashpoint in West Bengal? Today's face-off between BJP and the police is just one indication. The police barred the BJP team from entering the interior villages, tense for a week now. The Congress too stopped yesterday. Trouble erupted over the route of a religious procession on Monday. Some locals claim the violence was unprovoked, others that the procession was stoned. Violence peaked on Wednesday. Police had to rush in to control bombing and arson, allegedly by local criminals, but by then houses and shops were ransacked and burnt. Dhulagarh is a Muslim-majority area. Many villagers who fled claimed they were targeted because of religion. Shubroto Khara claims he was beaten, his arm broken.
আমি এখন পুরো অসহায় অবস্থার মধ্যে দূরে রাস্তা জলা জঙ্গলে পড়ে আছি কি করব বাঁচার লড়াই এই মা বোনকে বউকে নিয়ে টানাটানি করছে আর কিচ্ছু নেই সর্বশান্ত করে দিয়েছে সমস্ত তিনটে আমরা ছয় ভাই সমস্ত বাড়ি ঘরদোর ভেঙে চুরমার করে দিয়েছে
Police have been patrolling the area and the Rapid Action Force is on standby. The BJP blames the Mamata Banerjee government for failing to control communal clashes in the state, as they claim she failed at Kaliachok in Malda earlier this year. Bengal is a bomb-making factory, said local BJP leaders, and Ms. Banerjee is doing minority appeasement.
She must break her silence on the communal violence which is happening in West Bengal. जिस प्रकार से बंगाल पुलिस जो दंगा कर रहे हैं उनको लेके जो चल रही है उनके साथ साथ चलती है जो वीडियो फुटेज और भी हैं जो आप YouTube में भी देख सकते हैं अनेक जगह देख सकते हैं Is this your state policy?
Member of Parliament Derek O'Brien tweeted soon after Mr. Singh spoke. Communal friend from Panama, he said, your party again tried divisive stunts in Bengal. People here will always reject these communal politics. 49 persons have been arrested over the last week, and amidst claims and counterclaims, the police are probing what triggered the violence. The administration says it's restricting the entry of political groups in the area to prevent further escalation of tensions as Dhulagarh slowly returns to calm after days of communal tension in the area. With camera person GD Shankar, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.